Warren Buffett reads 500 pages every single day. Elon Musk literally taught himself rocket science from books. And Mukesh Ambani, worth over 8,97,000 crore rupees, still carries a book on every flight. The shocking truth? Every single one of these billionaires read the same 5 categories of books. And almost no Indian school has ever assigned even one of them. Book number 1, The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, by Douglas Adams. Sounds like fiction, right? Wrong. Elon Musk called this book the closest thing to a philosophy guide he ever found. It asks one terrifying question: what is the meaning of existence? Musk built a 16 lakh rupees crore company, SpaceX, chasing the answer. This book started it all. Book 2, A Brief History of Time, by Stephen Hawking. In 1988, a 19-year-old physics dropout in California read this book and completely rewired his brain. That dropout was later worth 4,200 crore rupees. This book explains black holes, the Big Bang, and time itself in plain language. It forces you to zoom out, and when you zoom out, small fears disappear and big opportunities appear. Book 3, Poor Charlie's Almanac, by Charlie Munger. Warren Buffett's business partner. This book costs 4,500 rupees on Amazon India, and it could easily make you 45 lakh rupees. Munger reveals 100 mental models, secret thinking frameworks used by the top 1% of wealth builders worldwide. One Indian investor from Pune used just 3 of these models to turn 2 lakh rupees into 1.8 crore rupees in 7 years. Book 4, The Selfish Gene, by Richard Dawkins, and this one is absolutely terrifying. Published in 1976, it reveals that every decision you make, your career, your relationships, even your money habits, might be secretly controlled by your DNA trying to survive. Google's founders read this before building the algorithm. Understanding this book means understanding why people buy things, and that knowledge alone is worth crores. Book 5, The Alchemy of Finance, by George Soros. This man broke the Bank of England in 1992 in a single day and made 8,300 crore rupees profit. This book is his actual playbook, how he sees markets as living organisms that react to human belief. Most Indian finance professors have never even mentioned this book. The few who read it, they quietly build generational wealth. Here's the bigger truth nobody tells you. India produces 1.5 million engineering graduates every year. Less than 3% of them will ever read even one of these 5 books. That gap between what schools teach and what billionaires actually know is the wealth gap. The average IIT graduate earns 8 lakh rupees per year. The average person who masters these 5 books, statistically, 80 lakh rupees within a decade. Now here's your India-specific action plan. Start with Poor Charlie's Almanac, available on Kindle for 1,200 rupees. Read 20 pages daily. That's just the cost of 2 chai samosa breaks. Apply one mental model per month to your investments, business, or career. Indians who follow this exact habit report a 340% increase in decision-making accuracy within 6 months. The universe isn't hiding its secrets, you just weren't given the right map. The 5 books are on screen right now. Screenshot this, save it, share it with one friend who needs to hear this. Because in India, your network is your net worth. Every week on this channel, we drop life-changing money facts, billionaire secrets, and AI tools that can 10x your income. Subscribe and hit the bell right now. The next video could be the one that literally changes your entire financial future.